Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and if you are new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Well, I'm so excited to be here today to show off some of the things, a few things that I've made, and I received some beautiful Happy Mail. What did I say? Oh, a small yarn haul from Joann's. So yeah, one thing that I would like to say is I'd like to say thank you to Kathy and Annalise for becoming members of my channel. I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys so much for that. Let's see. And I would like to say thank you to all of my subscribers for supporting me, leaving the comments, hitting the like button, and all that good stuff. I appreciate that very much. Okay, yeah, just grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and let's just see what I have in today's video. Okay, so I'd like to start off with, let's look at some Happy Mail that I received. Okay, so I received this beautiful card from Doris from Rose Cottage Studio. Thank you so much, Doris, for this. Doris does have a YouTube channel. She doesn't have content, but she has a community tab. And you may want to check that out. And she puts all kinds of cool information that that is helpful to all of us crochet YouTubers. So yeah, go check out Doris from Rose Cottage Studio. Thank you so much, Doris. I just love this card. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. Okay, so now we have this beautiful card from Ella from No Catchy Name. And I just love Ella's channel. Go check her out. Ella and I share the love of amigurumi. I love watching her channel, seeing all the amigurumi projects that she has made and is working on, and she inspires me so much. So thank you so much for that, Ella. I truly appreciate that. So this beautiful card is from Barbara. She lives on a boat, and this is a beautiful handmade card. I just love this. Thank you so much for that, Barbara, taking time out, making this and sending this to me. And yes, I feel very blessed to have the friendship with you just as much. So thank you so much for that, Barbara. Yeah, I'd just like to say thank you guys for that. That was beautiful. The next thing is I ordered some yarn on sale at Joann's for $1.99. It was the online pickup. It was the doorbuster. So I'll just show you a little bit of the colors that I got from that little after Black Friday sale, because it was Tuesday when I bought it. Okay, so here are the bags that I got from Joann. They had a big twist for $1.99. And so let's just see what kind of stuff I got. I found these cute little platter plates for a Christmas party. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's the receipt. Put that right there. And let's see. Oh, isn't that adorable? I think those were, let me look at my receipt here. They were on sale. I think maybe they were like 60% off. Okay, so I did get this. It wasn't on sale, so I was able to use a 40% coupon on this. And I think it was $7.99, so I got it for like $4. So I'm very excited about that. And let's see, I'm planning on making a blanket. And so I needed some of this pink. These are the ones that were $1.99, 100% acrylic, big twist value, 380 yards. And the color on this one is bubblegum. And, oh yeah, I got some napkins right here to go with this stuff right there. So I'm pretty excited about this yarn. I haven't got to use this before. They had this for $2.99. It's the Big Twist Arcade, 154 yards, 100% premium acrylic. And I really like this. I like the color of it. I like the way it feels. It's Rust Natural is the color on that. But yeah, they were $2.99. It's beautiful. Okay, so we're going to set this over here. So I got 1, 2, and we got 3 of these. So yeah, $2.99 for those, and $1.99 for that. And I don't know if they were on sale, and then $4 for that. Okay. All right, this next bag, this one I had to order, place online and do curbside pickup, but I had to order it from a couple towns over. It wasn't really that far, but I needed some more of this pink, and they only had the one pink at my local Joann's. So I did get a couple more pinks to make that blanket I was telling you about. And I was disappointed in this one. I did order 3 of these, and this is the one I wanted more than anything. I just thought it was just so gorgeous. So I ordered 3. I might have even ordered 4. But when I got up there, they only gave me 1. And I think it's because they canceled the others. Maybe somebody bought them before they filled my order, is what I'm thinking. But it's Turk Brown is the color of that one. So yeah, I sadly only got 1 of those. But it is beautiful. And as far as the white, I ordered 8 of these. And when I got up there, they only gave me 3. 100% acrylic white. I bought 8 because 3 was for me, and then I was ordering 5 of them for my sister because she's got a project going and she needs the white as well. But so I'm just going to give her my 3. So. And every now and then you may hear some pitter patter. I do have some dogs. And I got one underneath. There she goes, underneath the table there. Where you going, lady? Huh? Where you going? Okay. Let's see. Let's get into this big bag. Okay, so I've got it open, and let's see what we have. I bought. Let me get this receipt out of the way. Okay. So I got Varsity Blue and another Varsity Blue. Hope I'm not going too fast for you guys. And another Varsity Blue. And I am making a blanket with this. Is why I needed so much blue. And the same with the pink. I'm making a pink, black, and gray blanket. And this one I'm making, I think, 3 shades of blue. And so I bought another blue. The baby blue. That's, what did I say that was? Varsity Blue. That's Varsity Blue. And this one is Sky Blue. So I got 1 of those. Lady, she's still laying over there. Okay, so there's another one. What else do we got in here? Okay, so it's all the blues, for those blues. Now I did buy this blue, but it's not for the blanket. I bought it because it kind of reminds me of a jean, a blue jean type material. It's called Slate Blue. And I thought that would look real good for some of my doll jeans when I'm trying to make pants for them. And so I grabbed me a couple of those. Let's see. Red, I had to replace, you know, I've been making so much Christmas stuff. So I bought deep red and another deep red. Let's see. Some more of this green, forest green. And what color is that one? Varsity green. So that's the forest green, and that's the varsity green. I guess they call them varsity because they're like school colors or something. Let's see. That's another varsity green. And then this one I bought this cream because it's actually going into a blanket that I'm working on right now. So I needed that for sure. So a lot of these are for some blankets that I am fixing to be, either I'm working on or I'm fixing to be working on them. Let me see if I can't find, there's another green. There it is. Okay, and that's a forest green. It's weird because it just seems like that ought to be the forest green, the darker green. Let me move my chair out of the way a little bit so you can see, because it's piling up here. Look at that. It's so pretty. All right. See lady through there. Okay, we have rust. One. And we have two. Oh, I only got one of these. Orange. And I'm not sure why I got the pink. Probably to make doll clothes with. Medium rose. I really don't remember needing pink. Or at least not for a specific project. Okay, and then a deep red. All right. Hold on. Some of these colors made it to the back side. Hope I can get these on here without them falling. I'll try and pile these up. Okay, there we go. Now we can see them. Yep, that's what I got. All $1.99 except for these right here, $2.99. Okay, I really needed those colors. I was a little disappointed that I couldn't get any white. I mean, I got the 3, but I really needed. The first time I ordered 5 white and didn't get any. Okay, and then so the next day I ordered from another store. And so I went and picked it up. I ordered 8 and then I only got 3. So it's a little disappointing in the white, but you know, at least I did get some. Okay, I guess I'm going to show you a few little items that I've been crocheting from one of my tutorials that I have out there. Actually, a few of my tutorials that I have out there. So let's go ahead and see what I've got in that. Okay, so here are some soap bags that I've been working on to give as Christmas gifts. And I just put a bar of soap with them. These are, I do have a tutorial on these, and they're made with, these are bigger. The ones that are bigger are made with a 4-weight yarn, and then the small one is with a 3-weight yarn. My tutorial is done with the 3-weight yarn. But yeah, I've been working on these. This is them. The color is really pretty. It's a lime green. I just love it. This is Re-Up. I think I got it at Joann's. And then I'm not sure what the white is. I think it's Peaches and Cream. But these are all cotton. This one might be Peaches and Cream. I can't remember. I just bought this from Joann's. Okay, so here it is. I just bought that at Joann's. It's Sugar and Cream. And I just love that. It just has like a tie-dye look to it. But, yeah, that, it looks like tie-dye to me. This one is ice yarn. I actually do my tutorial on this. This one here. This one, I believe this is Big Twist cotton. See if you can see the colors. Isn't that pretty? Those colors. Yeah. And this one is big twist as well. You can't really see, but there are windows in this. There's one row of them right there. And then there's another row. And that's to, make sure your soap gets through it really good. But yeah, these are just bath soaps, bags is what they are. Okay, so the other thing I've been working on is another pair of slippers. This right here goes to my great niece again. My sister really likes the idea of my Christmas tradition where I give a package on December the 1st. So she wants to do that for her grandbaby. And so she's putting it together. And I asked her, she's the sister that's just learning to crochet. Tanya is her name. And I was like, well, let me make her the slippers to put in there, some Christmas slippers. So she's given her bag this weekend, and so my sister's going to come and pick these up today. She was very, very thankful that I whipped these up for her, because she doesn't know how to make these yet. She's still learning how to do a magic ring, and she hasn't done anything in the round yet, and she hasn't done anything like any kind of a back post, front post type crocheting yet. So she's was really excited whenever I told her that I would go ahead and make her a pair of slippers to throw in that little bag. But yeah, she's really excited. She did make her a crochet blanket. And last time I talked to her was just yesterday. She was using my pattern to make some washcloths, Christmas washcloths. Yeah. So anyway, so that's what I made for her. And I used this mistletoe. And it's just red heart. 100% acrylic. Yeah. Okay, guys. I just wanted to remind you that I do have a tutorial for newborn up to an adult man size on these hats and the 18-inch doll hat. So I just wanted to remind y'all of that in case you did miss that video. And I have the basket. And of course, I have it filled with cakes. These are my favorite Christmas cakes. And my husband, he likes the chocolate ones. And I like them too. But I really like these right here. They're just little Debbie's. Anyway, so yeah. Dollar General had them on sale. 2 boxes for $2. So I bought some. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. The Santa hats are going to be so much fun wearing those with my family on Christmas Eve. So that's about all that I have for this video. Let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. It says, all my desire. Think about the things of heaven, not the things of earth. That's Colossians 3:2. Beautiful Lord, when I am in your presence, everything else seems so unimportant. Material things pale in comparison to getting a fresh revelation from your word. No amount of public approval can match feeling your pleasure. No physical pleasure comes close to the feeling of being comforted in the arms of my Father. I want all my desire to be for you, God. Give me a distaste for the things of this world and let me hunger for the things of heaven. May your will be all I seek, your offerings be all I accept, and more of you be all I want. Oh, that's nice. How do you think about the things of heaven instead of the things of earth? Yeah, that was a really good one. That's a good thought for the weekend. Okay, guys, just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.